Hey guys, today we're going to dive into an important topic for anyone considering a name change by way of deed poll. We are going to learn more about the legal restrictions and practical considerations you need to keep in mind. Changing your name is a significant decision, and in Singapore, the process involves a deed poll, a document called a deed poll. It's basically a one-page document which gives your old name, your new name, your NRIC number, and that you're going to renounce and abandon your name, you're going to adopt a new name. And then this deed poll will have to be witnessed, stamped to the lawyer's stamp, and then submitted to the Immigrations and Checkpoints Authority. Now, however, not every name that you might want to choose will be legally acceptable. So in this video, we are going to explore the types of names you should avoid. First and foremost, any name that is offensive, vulgar, obscene is not permissible. Singapore takes a serious view to maintain public decorum. So stay clear of any names that could be considered inappropriate or disrespectful. For example, including vulgarities, profanities, or other explicit content is a definite no-no, like including the F word in your new name, or Helen Bitch Tan, things like that, obscene or whatever, no. Secondly, names containing symbols, numbers, or punctuation marks are generally not allowed. Names should be comprised of letters only. While it may seem trendy to use numbers or symbols, the legal system needs to maintain clarity and standardization. So an example would be trying to use the dollar sign to replace S. So if your name is Samuel, you go and change it to $AMUEL. Or for example, if your name is, or using the ampersand, the at symbol, you cannot use that in place of a letter A. Or you cannot have like Josephine 1234 as part of your name. Thirdly, you need to avoid using titles or ranks in your new name unless you legitimately own it. This will include military titles or noble titles. So you cannot have something like Dr. John Smith, Colonel Aaron Lim, General Lee Teck Seng, or Dato Lee Teck Seng. Dato is a Malay title for nobility or people of certain status. So unless you are really a Dato, no, they're not going to let you include that in your name. For example, the English titles also like Lord or Duchess or Duke, no, you cannot include them in your new name. Fourth, be cautious when using the names of prominent public figures. While it's not exactly illegal, this can be seen as an attempt to impersonate them or gain an undue advantage. And it might even be contested. So changing your name to Lee Kuan Yew, Goh Chok Tong, Taylor Swift, Michael Jackson may raise eyebrows and may potentially even lead to legal challenges. Finally, avoid using long or unpronounceable names that can be problematic. A name that is too complicated can lead to administrative issues and confusion. Keep it simple and manageable. I've had clients who come in who want to change their names to long names like bacteria. It sounds like bacteria. In fact, one of the most memorable deed polls that I've done is something about whatever Yeho Shannon Raphael Quartz Tree Rainbow Carp Yezwa. So thanks for watching this video on the top 5 important things you have to keep in mind when changing your name by deed poll.